Welcome to my channel Smart Dunya and listen to the story. Once upon a time, in a bustling town, there lived a merchant who was deeply troubled by his failing business. Day by day, his business was suffering losses and he was sinking further into debt. Despite his relentless efforts and hard work, he was not able to achieve the success he was looking for. The constant struggle was making him feel exhausted and disheartened. One evening, overwhelmed by his troubles, the merchant decided to take a break. He thought, perhaps if I leave everything behind for a while and spend some time alone in the forest, I might find a solution to my problem. With that thought, he left for the forest in search of peace and clarity. Days turned into a week and the merchant had spent 7 days in the forest. But still, he was constantly thinking about his business struggles. No matter how hard he tried, he could not shake off the sadness and frustration. On the 7th day, he was walking through the woods. Just then, he saw a hut. He was astonished to find a hut in the dense forest. He approached the hut and saw that it was a beautiful little hut with a lovely garden beside it. In front of the hut, a wise monk was sitting and meditating. Intrigued, the merchant sat before the monk and waited patiently until he finished his meditation. After some time, when the monk opened his eyes, the merchant bowed to him and opened up his heart, explaining all his woes and frustrations. The monk listened calmly and then smiled warmly. "Come with me to my garden," said the monk. "There you will find the answer to your question." Curious and hopeful, the merchant followed the monk to a beautiful garden filled with lush greenery. The monk pointed to a patch of grass and said, "You see that grass? Few years ago, I planted grass seeds there so that our cows would have plenty of food. Alongside, I also planted bamboo seeds. The grass grew quickly and filled the garden with its vibrant greenery, but there was no sign of a bamboo sprouting. I watered and took care of both equally, yet only the grass flourished. For 3 years, the bamboo seeds showed no sign of growth. It was only after 5 years that a bamboo seed finally sprouted. By the 6th year, that small bamboo plant had grown to 100 feet tall. During those 6 years, when I wondered why it was not growing, its roots were growing deep and becoming strong, preparing to support its towering height in the future." The monk then took the merchant to the towering bamboo grove. Seeing the tall and sturdy bamboos reaching for the sky, the merchant was astonished. The monk placed his hand on the merchant's shoulder and said, "My friend, if you are not seeing success today, do not be disappointed and do not lose hope. The hard work you are doing today is growing your roots deeper into the ground. One day, the tall crop of success will wave in the wind in that ground." Listening to this, the merchant finally understood the lesson. He realized that struggle is an integral part of life. The more significant the struggle, the stronger the success will come. With renewed determination, the merchant returned to his business. He learned from his past mistakes and made positive changes. Gradually, his perseverance paid off and his business began to flourish. If we see in our lives, we will find that struggles are an inevitable part of life. They test our patience, resilience, and determination. Just like the bamboo, which took years to grow root before it could reach its full height, true success takes time and persistent effort. Immediate results may be satisfying, but the strength built from enduring and overcoming hardship is invaluable. When we face difficulties in our life, it is crucial not to lose hope or give up. Each struggle is an opportunity to grow stronger, learn valuable lessons, and build a solid foundation for future success. Just as the merchant turned his business around by learning from his challenges, we too can achieve great things if we remain patient and committed to our goals. Remember, the greater the struggle, the greater the success will be. So keep pushing forward, and eventually, you will see the fruit of your hard work. Embrace each struggle that comes your way, for they are the foundation for your future success.